Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question from stoichiometry and redox reactions from phase 1, question number 13. So question is, a sample of clay was partially dried and then contained 50% silica and 7% water. The original clay contained 12% water. The silica in original sample is, a mistake is there will be in, silica in original sample will be. So first thing we'll write ki after drying. So after drying, it has 50% of silica. And if I take total 100%, it has 50% silica, 7% of water, and remaining there will be other minerals. So remaining other minerals in the clay will be how much? 43% of other minerals. 43% of other minerals. So now this is after drying. If I try to take the case of before drying, so before drying, it will be, if I take contain original clay contain how much water? There is a 12% of water. Okay? There is a 12% of water. Now, if I remaining is 88%, yes or no? 100 minus 12 is 88%. So if I take X percentage of silica, so remaining other minerals will be 88 minus X. Yes, 88 minus X will be the of other minerals. 88 minus X will be of other minerals. Now, one thing we know, key the ratio, because we are drying means the ratio of water is changing, but the ratio of silica with the other minerals will be constant. The ratio of silica with other minerals will be constant. So we can use that same thing. So ratio of silica X upon 88 minus X with, in this silica is 50 upon 42. That's it. Solve for X. So if you solve for X, 43, X equals to 88 multiplied by 50 minus 50 X. So we can do this. So 50 X plus 43 X equals to 8 5 the 40. 8 5 the 40. 40 and 44, 4400. Then, so X 50X plus 43X will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 83. X equals to 4400. 93X actually. 50 plus 43 will be 93X equals to 4400. Then X will be equals to 4400 upon 93. So X will be equals to 4400 upon 93. So if I try to take the percentage of this, so 93 into 4. So 93 into 4, 4 is a 12, 1, 9 4 is a 36, 372 will be there. So 96, 372, 440 minus 372, 10 minus 2, 8, 13 minus 7 will be 5, 0, 58, 580 will be there. And this will be around 7 times. So it will be somewhere around 47%. Somewhere around 47%. If you'll go through the options, option R 51%, B is 47.31%, 63.31, none of these. So as we got around close answer to close to the 47%, that is value of X, and X only is the percentage of silica in the before our original sample. So 47.31 will be the answer. Answer will be B. Thank you.